This is by request, the cover of Free Falling by Tom Petty on guitar for beginners. Okay, so we're going to start with simple chords A, D, D to E. Okay, and you could start it out with doing an A, and then, so it's A, B, A, then D, like so. So you started out A, B, good, she's a good girl, and loves her mama, loves Jesus, and America too. She's a good girl, who's crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and her boyfriend too. And you could go, and then continue. I'm going to skip a little bit. And all the vampires walking down in the valley move down west, Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys hide in the shadows, and the good girls all with broken hearts, and I'm free, free falling, and I'm free, free falling. Then there's this little part too that you could do. And you could do it up here. Keep the music coming. Bye.